Let's see what I ordered from the Happy Planner clearance. I placed this order back around 4th of July, and I kept forgetting to open it, so let's check it out. Oh, I forgot about these. These are the little snowman discs. Let's open them up. These are so cute. Love those. Can't wait to use those. I'm going to take this other stuff out of the box. I think it'll be a little easier to handle. Okay, of course we have to do sticker books first. Ooh, Sunshine Vibes. I forgot about this one. I'll do a quick little flip. These books have been around for a while. I'm just a little late with my shopping. I always prefer to get everything on clearance. Cute. Normally everything I have is floral, floral, floral. So I'm trying to get some different things in my collection. Okay, here's Happy in Paris. I love anything Squad Girls, but it's been a while since I've bought any of their stuff because I usually prefer more seasonal. Oh, these are really cute. Of course, I love them because they're florals. Cute. I love these colors. So springy. I may not get to use this one for a while. Actually, I could use these orange ones. Those will probably transition into fall. These others may have to wait, though. They're super pretty. Love the color palette. I know I have a couple more sticker books in here. What do we got? Oh, Woodland Seasons. Y'all have probably seen this one. I wanted the one that was all seasons, but the only one they had on sale was the Christmas edition. So let's take a look at this. Lots of gold. I don't really... Well, that looks rose gold. I don't really like a lot of metals in my spreads because I have such a hard time photographing them. But I couldn't resist these cute little guys. I love the colors in here too. That's usually what sells me on a sticker book, are the colors, the color palette. I was anxious for this one. I think I started wanting this one when it first came out, but I never did talk myself into getting it. Oops, lots of gold on that one. They're cute. I don't have any immediate plans for this book, but I couldn't let it get away, especially not for $6. Ooh, I do like those. Those glasses are cute. I like that, again, the color palette. Last sticker book, Modern Farmhouse. True Confessions. I may already have this. I've looked at it so many times, but I couldn't remember if I had actually bought it. But when they put it on clearance, I thought, oh, okay, it won't hurt if I have two. We missed something here. I love the fruit. Cute, cute. I need to try to not say cute so many times. I know it's annoying. Okay, now then, I love paper. So, of course, since this was related to the Happy in Paris, I just had to get this. This is the classic size fill paper. I don't know if I'm going to open it up because it's so crinkly. I'll try. Okay. Let's get this one. That is so cute. The back of this is like a peach color. You can see it compared to the white. It's got a very faint dot grid on it. It's very small pattern. Lots of options here. Super cute. Happy I got that one. I love notebooks and note paper. I don't know why, I just always have. Loving these retro florals here. This one, this is Spring Market. This one is also, has a color to it. Let's open it up. That's cute. Lined on both sides, dotted lined. I love that. You have it in your notebook, it looks like that. Very nice. And the last item, I already mentioned how much I love notebooks. So I had to get this. This is another Happy in Paris theme. Let's take this off. I have multiple notebooks and each one has its own purpose. Cute. I love the inside cover. Sorry for the glare. And let's do a quick flip through on this. These dividers are so cute. Oh, that's what got me. This paper is not exactly white either. It has like a bluish gray tint. It's all dotted lined. Printed on front and back. There's the second divider. Same paper. And the last divider. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I may end up using these as a planner cover if I decide to do a planner refresh. But that's cute. That was just a quick little flip through and opening for y'all. These are mini discs. I'm sure everyone knows that. I'm excited with my purchases. Now I just have to start using them. And these again are my sticker books. Modern Farmhouse, Decades, Woodland Seasons, Happy in Paris, Sunshine Vibes. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.